Hey guys and girls, I'm David Green and this is
Shannon Green Van Dusen.
And what are we here to do, Shannon?
We're going to show you guys how to do some home hair cutting.
Okay, so as you can see right here, we own the cutting room and we're doing COVID-19 home hair cutting tutorials. And we've got, I think, about 3 of them we're going to make for them.
So, yep, I think so. You guys saw the one, hopefully not too long ago, Dave shared on men's cutting. So now let's look at some longer hair cutting.
So we're going to bring this to you. Let's get her rolling.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Shannon Green Van Dusen from the Cutting Room, and this is going to be the bang tutorial for our COVID-19 hair cutting tutorials. So a lot of you have been wondering how you're going to take care of those bangs. And what we don't want is lots of kindergartner bangs. You know what I mean, the ones that are super short that we either gave our kindergartners or to ourselves or our parents did when we were little. So here's our lovely heads. And let's go with first just your basic bang. Your basic bang, right, is just kind of coming down, and everybody's is in their eyes at this point. So let's show you on the mannequin head what I would recommend you do and not do. So here we are, this little Miss Sally mannequin head. And the tighter, so you're gonna pull your bangs, find where they start, and you're gonna pull them down. And look, she probably looks like a lot of you out right now with these crazy bangs. One thing to keep in mind is when you're pulling your bangs down to cut, the tighter you pull down, when you cut it and let go, it's going to spring up high. And that's what's gonna give you your kindergartner bangs. So instead of holding them tight, you can put them in your finger and create your spot, but keep them loose. See how they kind of bump up? Then come in wherever you think you want them. Say here. You're gonna wanna cut them a little bit longer than that point, and you're gonna wanna come in this way and do it. Okay? I'm not gonna cut hers yet because I wanna show you how to do side bangs. And that should give you, when you let go and they spring up, a little bit of extra room so that they don't wind up at the top of your head. Okay? Okay, what if you have a longer sideswept bang? What are you gonna do? So in the other video, Dave was talking about directing the hair different ways. And so we wanna over direct the long side. So we're going to take the hair that's down, and let's say this is the short, and we want it about right here. This is the length of the short, and to fall down like this. So what you want to do is take all this hair over here and direct it this way. Okay? Bring it all to the short side. Then you're going to actually cut it a little bit longer than you think you want it, so that when you let go, it springs up. So I'll show you on the mannequin head. All right, here's little Miss Sally again. We're gonna have this side be the short side. So I am going to part out where the bangs would be. Then I'm going to take the bangs from this side and bring them all the way over here, okay, to this corner over here. And if I want them right at her eye, then we need to bring my hands down a little bit longer, come in. I have a slight angle on my fingers, and we're going to just do that point cutting. So that you don't have a hard line. And then when you comb it out, you can see that direction like that, okay? So that's a little bit of Bang 101 from the Cutting Room.